Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to hide photo from gallery on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you have any private photo that you want to hide from your gallery, don't need to be worried because Samsung Galaxy A36 provide a secure folder to hide your photo, your video, or any document from your cell phone. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, now the first you can go to gallery, and then here now you can choose any photo that you want to hide, and then after that now you can click three dots on the right top corner and click move to secure folder, and this photo will not shown again on gallery but will move to secure folder. And so yeah, here's the photo that recently you hide it from gallery. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.